Yes, so now we are discussing about custom tissue paper. It is also a small business. Next point is what is custom tissue paper? Order amazing customer tissue papers online and add the luxury. Basically, custom tissue paper is used as a liner inside of the packing boxes and establishes and also used as the wrap outside to many deliverable products which provide the catching and classy look and feel to the product. Next point is can tissue paper be printed on? How to print on tissue paper? If your tissue paper has a shiny side, it is often ideal to place that facing down. But you can try printing on both sides to see what looks best with your printer. Gently roll the tissue paper onto the backing paper is a brayer, acrylic roller or glass jar. And next point is what is craft tissue paper called? Different types of craft paper and their uses. Crepe paper is a type of thinly coated tissue paper. It is gathered to produce a crinkled surface that stretches easily. It comes in many colors and is sold in rolls or sheets. Crepe paper is often used for paper flower making with stunning results. And next point is what is the raw material for tissue paper? Paper pulp. The raw material is paper pulp. And next point is which is best tissue paper? That is Solimo, list of the 12 best toilet paper brands in India. That is Solimo, Soft Touch, Origama, and Presto, Cellpack, Beko, Scott, and Kleenex. These are the best tissue papers. And next point is are tissue papers safe? Tissue papers have negligible side effects due to some chemical composition which are added for their color and softness. Next point is what is the very expensive tissue paper? You can now clear your sinuses in style with the world's most expensive tissue paper known as Junihoti. And next point is what is 3D printing tissue? 3D bioprinting is a technology where biolinks mixed with living cells are printed in 3D to construct natural tissue like three-dimensional structures. Currently, this technology can be used in various research areas such as tissue engineering and new drug development. And next point is which tissue paper is best for face? Best tissue paper for face in India, Paramount Universal Private. This thick 2-ply dry tissue paper for the face is spongy. You can use it after sanctifying your face to remove the cleaner. It will be gentle on your skin. This soft and aseptic facial tissue paper has a great 4.3 rating with positive reviews. It values your money. And next point is tissue paper business profitable? Yes, it is profitable. For the napkin papers manufacturing unit will need an investment of 10 lakhs which will generate a manual sales turnover of about 1 crore. And next point is tissue paper plastic free? Plastic free. It is a paper at the end of the day so naturally plastic free and being a bio-based product, it is easy to recycle as well. Right, the ugly truth is that tissue papers is not easy to recycle and moreover many recycling centers will actively refuse to take it, meaning that it will end up in landfill. And next point is what GSM is tissue paper? 10 to 35 GSM. Generally tissue paper ranges from 10 to 35 GSM. For comparison, office printer paper is typically 70 to 100 GSM and greeting cards are 250 plus GSM. 0.0505. Sorry, this is 70 to 100 GSM, and the greeting cards are 250 plus GSM also will be there. That is the width of the card. And next point is which paper best? Which paper is best for paper crafting? To put it simply, card stock is a thicker and more durable type of paper. It is more flexible and thinner than paperboard and cardboard, making it perfect for arts and crafts. Since it is heavier and sturdier than standard or irregular paper, it is also the best choice for paper crafting and card making. And next point is how to sell my tissue paper. Step 1 is log into public subscription billings. Step 2 is select subscription billing, and third is account setup, and fourth one is step 4 is connect payment gateways, and fifth is add product, and sixth is add plans, and seventh is share your checkout page, and eighth is preview checkout page. And next point is what are 5 materials for paper craft? Paper craft tools, tweezers for card making, scrap booking, sewing and many other crafts. Hobbies are general use. Corner punches, suitable for rounding off paper, card, postcards, photographs, etc. Embossing, perforating, tools and boards, mats, cutters, trimmers and knives. Paper craft, scissors. And next point is which paper is hardest for craft? Construction paper. That is, it does have a rougher texture which tends to make it harder to fold. The color of construction paper tends to fade over time, so it is not for crafts that you may want to keep. The next point is what is a strong paper called? Card stock. That is a stuff smooth and thin. It straddles the line between paper and cardboard. Good for greeting cards, paper models, and other stand-up building projects. Construction paper, soft, rough, and often brightly colored. It is not as tough as card stock, but still good for kids, pop-up cards, and other 3D crafts. This is the information regarding your custom tissue papers. So this information will give a fundamental understanding. Even though if you want to how to make a custom tissue paper making and process and all these, so many YouTube videos are there. You can get a theoretical understanding by that also. But my video will give a fundamental idea and a fundamental description about tissue papers and all these. So it will be useful to those who are in the entrepreneurship and those who are interested to do a startup business. It will be mostly useful. Wishing you all the best.